What is Python? Python is one of the most popular and fastest growing programming languages in the world. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It's used for all sorts of tasks, including web programming and data analysis, and it has emerged as the language to learn for machine learning. That popularity means Python developers are in demand and programming jobs can be lucrative. The above-mentioned reasons are why it might be a good idea for you to learn how to program in Python. It is used for web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting, and so on. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Why Python? Python works on different platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code executed